The Adventures of Heroic Captain Hugo. What's that sound? Written and illustrated by Stephanie Ambrose. The Adventures of Heroic Captain Hugo. Heroic Captain Hugo loved to explore the world. His name was Heroic Captain Hugo because he had magical ears. His magical ears gave him the ability to hear things he never heard before, and some sounds that no one else could hear. Pop, snap, swish, chomp, boom, chirp. Heroic Captain Hugo decided to go walk through the woods. He knew his magical ears could help him discover new sounds, only if he would not be afraid of everything he heard. Off he went into the woods, and what did he hear in a pile of leaves? Swish, swish, swish. Heroic Captain Hugo turned to see what was making a swish sound in the leaves. Swish, swish, swish. Heroic Captain Hugo prepared himself to see a huge monster with beady eyes. Swish, swish, swish. Heroic Captain Hugo took a deep breath and heard the sound again. Swish, swish, swish. He would not be afraid. He opened his eyes, and what did he see? A cute little bunny playing in the leaves. Swish, swish, swish. Phew! "You're no beady-eyed monster!" exclaimed heroic Captain Hugo. On his way, he went deeper into the woods, and what did he hear now behind the nearest tree? Pop, pop, pop. "Oh no!" thought heroic Captain Hugo. "What could that be? Is it a fire-breathing dragon coming for me?" Pop, pop, pop. He took a deep breath and walked closer to the tree. He heard the sound again. Pop, pop, pop. He would not be afraid. He opened his eyes, and what did he see? A woodpecker chomping away at the tree. Phew, said heroic Captain Hugo. There's no fire-breathing dragon coming for me. Pop, pop, pop. On his way, he went deeper into the woods. He stopped to sit on a bench and take a quick break. Suddenly, he heard a new sound. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Oh no, thought heroic Captain Hugo. What could that be? Is it a crocodile coming for me? Splish, splash, splish, splash. Heroic Captain Hugo took a deep breath and got up from the bench. He heard the sound again. Splish, splash, splish, splash. He would not be afraid. He opened his eyes, and what did he see? Geese playing in the creek. Phew, said heroic Captain Hugo. There's no crocodile coming for me. Splish, splash, splish, splash. On his way, he went back into the woods. He saw a beautiful area with a trail that had flowers and bushes. He decided to pick some flowers. When all of a sudden, what did he hear? Chomp, chomp, chomp. Oh no, thought heroic Captain Hugo. What could that be? Is that a dinosaur coming for me? Chomp, chomp, chomp. Heroic Captain Hugo took a deep breath and walked behind the trees. He heard the sound again. Chomp, chomp, chomp. He would not be afraid. He opened his eyes, and what did he see? A deer eating grass. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Phew, said heroic Captain Hugo. There's no dinosaur coming to get me. On his way, he went out of the woods. It was time to go home. Heroic Captain Hugo stopped at a hill and heard a scary sound. Ow! 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 Oh no, thought heroic Captain Hugo. What could that be? Is that a wolf coming for me? Ow! 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 Heroic Captain Hugo took a deep breath and walked to the top of the hill. He heard the sound again. Ow! 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 He would not be afraid. He opened his eyes, and what did he see? His dog howling for him to come home. Ow! 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 Phew, said heroic Captain Hugo. There's no wolf coming for me. Heroic Captain Hugo made it back to his house. He heard many sounds today that were scary and new. Heroic Captain Hugo said, "Tomorrow I'll be brave and not be scared of all the new sounds. It turns out that it is not so scary after all to have my magical ears." The end. To purchase your own copy of Heroic Captain Hugo, scan the QR code below. Stay tuned for more adventures from Heroic Captain Hugo.